In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get current record ID in Salesforce Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Salesforce and how to configure a flow that retrieves the record ID you need. First, log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you're in Lightning Experience and that you have permission to create and edit flows. Next, open Setup. From the gear icon, choose the option that opens the full setup area, sometimes labeled Advanced Setup, so you can access all admin tools. In the Quick Find box on the left, start typing Flows, then click Flows to open the Flow Setup page. Click New Flow to create a fresh automation. For this walkthrough, choose Auto-Launched Automations. Auto-launched flows run in the background without a screen. They're great for behind-the-scenes work, can be invoked from buttons, processes, Apex, or run with the debug feature, and they don't require user input. Select Auto-Launched Flow, no trigger. This creates a blank canvas with no start condition, so you can control exactly how the flow is called. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first element. Choose Get Records. This element queries Salesforce data. Think of it as a search step inside your flow. You tell it which object to look at and what criteria to use, and it returns the matching records, including each record's ID. Give the element a clear label so you'll recognize it later. When you enter the label, notice that the API name fills in automatically. You can leave it as is unless you have strict naming conventions. For the object, type and select Contacts. We'll use Contact in this example, but the same approach works with any object. In the filter, type and select the Record ID field. A quick note: a record ID in Salesforce is the unique 15 or 18 character identifier for a record. It never repeats and is how Salesforce precisely finds the record you mean. Set the value to true as shown in this example. Tip: in real scenarios, you'll typically compare ID to a variable, such as one passed into the flow or available as record EID in record-triggered contexts. Just make sure the data types match your field. Choose to store all records. This setting tells the flow to keep every record that matches your criteria in a collection variable rather than stopping at the first match. It's useful if you plan to loop through results or need more than one record. Click Save. Provide a descriptive flow label. Again, the API name will be auto-filled for you. Finally, click Save to finish. That's it for getting the current record ID in a flow. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.